Hi there, welcome to MELI's English learning videos. Today I'm going to teach you the difference between effect and effect. Let's give it a start. Affect is a verb which means to impact or to change. It is pronounced as affect. You can repeat after me. Affect, affect, affect. For example, number 1. The lockdown has affected people's lives very much. Number 2. Your salary is affected by your work performance. Effect is a noun, which means an impact or a change. It is pronounced as effect. You can repeat effect, effect, effect. For example, number 1. The medicine has some side effects. Number 2. The environment has a direct effect on people's mood. So, let's recap our today's lesson. Today we've studied the difference between two confusing words, affect and effect. Don't forget that affect is a verb and effect is a noun.